PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Are hybrid HVAC systems worth it? While hybrid HVAC systems are more expensive upfront, they may save homes money on heating and cooling costs all year long, and for years to come. It's a win-win situation since you'll be more comfortable in any season and save between 30% to 50% on your energy bills. Is dual fuel HVAC worth it? Yes, dual fuel heat pumps are an investment worth making. They combine the energy savings of an electric heat pump with the dependability of a gas furnace. For best efficiency, dual fuel heat pumps switch between electric and gas heating depending on the ambient temperature. What is your service area for the Swarthmore, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Swarthmore, Lima, Elwyn, Glen, Riddle, Media, Rose Valley, Brookhaven, Parkside, Upland, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Prospect Park, Wallingford, Moylan, Rose Tree, Nether, Providence Township, Milmont Park, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 1630 Fairview Road number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Fairview-Road-Swarthmore-HVAC-Service.